Hey guys, well hopefully that got your attention. It's another video and another day back at South Coast CQB. In this gameplay it's a few pistols only matches. Small teams fight to be the last alive. First couple of games didn't go too well for us, but we soon started to turn things around.
Just go for this guy here.
So how do you guys think the push is going to go? Alright, I'll admit, that was a bad plan. Anyways, on to the next game. It's every man for himself. You have to touch the building opposite to you before you can start shooting anyone. So let's get right into it.
Oh shit! You got me. Nice one, Nate.
Is it last man or last team?
Last man, it's just you against everyone.
Unfortunately here, Preston's GoPro died. The only view we had was from the view from my camera. He manages to take out one more player in the car just in front of him, but then begins to run low on ammo. Luckily for him, another player that was shot out recently runs over to him and gives him his pistol to use. But it still didn't save him and he gets taken out shortly after.
Oh, he done him. Oh, this is mate, yeah.
This next game is a quick last team stand-in.
Who are we going for first? Who do you want to do?
Up to you.
Got him. He's still right at the back, yeah? I'm gonna push far left.
Loading.
Right, okay.
Keep going far left.
I'm watching. Yeah, I can see him on the green car. You ready? I'm gonna run left.
The other guy on my team manages to take out the last two people on the opposite side of the map, winning us the game. This next round is a simple last man standing wins. Me and the player next to me call a truce until we're the only ones left and we have to fight.
Truce. They've all pushed far right.
You know, he's close, he's close.
Okay, I'll get him. Sorry, dude. I'm out.
Well, we both ran out of ammo, so I guess it's a draw? Anyway, in this next round, we have to pick up our pistols in the middle of the map, run to the nearest wall before we can start firing. And, well, as you'll see, I was a bit slow.
Or if we take our mags out our guns, then it's fair.
Yeah, yeah. Take the mags out of the guns.
No, Ethan, we don't take ours.
You keep yours in.
Yours in, because you've got to attach the line.
Alright.
And it's a bit fair if you guys, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it'd be nice, Good luck all.
It's gonna be some John Wick shit, yeah.
Temperamental pipes. 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Ah! Nah. Right, dude, I'll tell you what, on 3, I'm gonna run that way, right? Are you ready? Right, 1, 2, 3. Ah! I've been humiliated! Nice one, man, that's fucking decent.